Welcome to my cabin on the Sunborn Yacht Hotel. This is a yacht, but it doesn't have an engine, so it doesn't go anywhere. However, it is very much like a cruise ship. So today, I'm going to show you around my cabin. So come with me and we'll have a look. This is a standard cabin in the Sunborn Yacht Hotel. It might not be called a cabin, it might just be called a guest room. But as you'll see, it's very similar to a cruise ship, isn't it? It's got a lovely big bed. It's got a huge TV, desk. Over here, we've got a great big wardrobe and the bathroom, which I'll show you more of in a little while. But first, let's have a look at this bed. It's pretty comfy. One thing that is a bit different though from a cruise ship is you can't put your suitcases under it, which is a bit odd. However, the wardrobe is plenty big enough. We'll have a little look inside. Oh, so it slides like that. And like that, and we can see we've got loads of storage in there. This is something you would never find on a cruise ship. We've got an iron and an ironing board, dressing gowns, some other fancy bits in here. Let's have a look inside. Oh, there's nail files and things, and then in this one we've got a shoe shining kit. That's fancy. You can get your laundry done, and there is the safe, and then here is the spot where you can put your suitcase, so there is plenty of storage in the lovely big wardrobe. Let's close that, and then if we look over here, I've got a lovely big TV, desk, pen. I'll be pinching that for sure. And then look over here. This fancy thing, look, you can do all kinds of things on it. It is a little bit like it's from the 90s, but you can control the temperature, you can get housekeeping, you can put music on. I don't think we really need the music because I don't know if you can hear that. One thing that is a bit different from a cruise ship is that there's a live band right outside. So there's music all the time, which is quite good. I'll show you outside. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going here and we'll just go to curtains and the shades. We're going to press open. Oh, look at this. And then out onto this, which I didn't book a balcony room. I just booked a room with a window. So this is a nice little extra. We can step outside if I can open it. Oh, there we go. Go step outside, have a look. The live music has stopped just for a little bit. But yeah, it's a balcony. It's not big enough for chairs, but kind of like a river cruise balcony. You can step out onto it a little bit, and there's beautiful Gibraltar. How nice is that? It's a casino. Here we go, into the bathroom. Now this bathroom, I think, is a lot bigger than what you would find on a cruise ship. It's probably like the size of the bathroom in your house, I'd say. It's got this door, and then it's got a really big shower with a proper door. No shower curtains here. Shower, and it's got one of these that comes from the ceiling as well. Rain shower. And these gorgeous toiletries. I love that brand. They smell so nice. And then we've got the sink. Got the mirror. So yeah, it's a really, really nice bathroom. And I love these toiletries. I did also ask for hair conditioner at reception because I forgot to bring any hair conditioner, and the lady was like, yep, no problem, we'll get that sent to your room. So that's good, but it is a 5-star hotel, so that's the service you get. And over here, there's a little bar area. Put some water. Don't know if that's free or not. We've got a kettle, tea, coffee. We've got the cups up here, glasses. Here is the menu. We've got the minibar menu, and that looks fairly reasonable, doesn't it? £4.50 for a beer. I'll have that. This is the prices for if you steal things. £85 if you steal a dressing gown. £6 if you steal the flip-flops. That's not bad, actually, if you forget your flip-flops. Breakfast. I've got breakfast included in my stay, so That looks yummy. Happy about that. We'll be showing you the breakfast. And then if we have a look in the mini bar, here we go. Look at all this. We've got everything in there. So this is definitely more than what you get in your mini bar on a cruise ship. I've definitely never seen a Twix in there or some peanuts. How much is a Twix? Let's see. It doesn't say. Nope, it's a mystery. Maybe that's how they get you. Maybe it's like 20 quid for a Twix. Who knows? So yeah, this is the cabin on the Sunborn. And I like it. You know, I think it's almost the same as a cruise ship. It's pretty good. So yeah, if you're staying in Gibraltar, Gibraltar is obviously a really good place to visit when you are on a cruise. But if you want more than a day here, because there's so much to see, yeah, stay a bit longer. And Sunborn is a nice place to do that. See you later.